Hello everyone, my name is Febri Puspita. I am from Management Class 24A with NPM 244111041. Here I will present about material and title business entities in business activities. Okay, first of all, introduction. A business entity is an essential element in business activities and the economic system of a country. A business entity is an organization established by individual or group with the purpose of carrying out production, distribution, and provision of goods or service to meet societal needs and generate profit. The extension of business entities not only serves as a driver of economic growth but also play a role in creating employment opportunities and contribution to government through taxation. In the business world, business entities exist in various forms, both legal and non-legal entities, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, limited partnership, limited liability companies, cooperatives, and state-owned enterprise. Each type of business entity has its own characteristic, advantage, and disadvantage that influence management practice, legal responsibility, and business strategies. By understanding the concept and types, business of entities, entrepreneur, and business can determine the most sustainable from organization according to their objective, scale, and risk level. Therefore, the discussion of business entity in business study is particularly for students and professionals who seek a comprehensive understanding of structure and their role in economic activities. Types of business entities. First, sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is owned and operated by an individual, providing complete control but also unlimited personal liability for business debts. Number 2, partnership. A partnership involves two or more individuals sharing ownership, responsibilities, and profits, which can lead to a more diverse skill set. 3. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity offering limited liability to its owner while enabling capital raising through stock sales and complex regulation. Sole proprietorship understanding is unique features. A sole proprietorship is the simplest and most common form of business ownership. It is a business owned, managed, and controlled by one individual. This type of business is easy at established because it requires minimal legal procedures and relatively low startup costs, making it special suitable for small-scale business and individual entrepreneurs. One of the unique features of a sole proprietorship is that there is no legal separation between the owner and the business. This means the owner has full control over decision making and is entitled to all profit generated by the business. However, this also implies unlimited liability where the owner is personally responsible for all debts and obligations of the business, including personal assets, if the business face financial difficulties. Another characteristic is the flexibility in management. The owner can make quick decisions without consulting partners of shareholders, allowing the business to respond rapidly to market change. In addition, all business income to typical tax as personal income, which can simple the comparison of business entities. Liability consideration. Business entities differ significantly in liability. Sole proprietorship expose owners to unlimited personal liability, while corporation offer limited liability protection. Taxation structures. Each entity type has unique taxation structures. Sole proprietorship face personal income tax, whereas corporation deal with corporate tax rates and complications. Summary and key takeaways. First, business entities. Different business entities serve unique needs affecting management structures, profit distribution, and operational flexibility for entrepreneurs and investors alike. Number 2, liability and taxation. Understanding liability and taxation implication is crucial as these factors significantly impact the financial health and risk exposure of business owners. Legal compliance. Legal compliance is mandatory for all business entities, ensuring adherence to regulation and minimizing risks associated with potential legal disputes and penalties. Okay, enough. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.